Man, since Christmas is over, I've been really in the need for the holiday spirit. I don't have it anymore after Christmas has been over. I guess you could say my holiday spirit has died out, cause it's a spirit. Anyways, I'm gonna go to Diamond's house to get the holiday spirit. Yeah, boy! Oh yeah. I'm jamming out. Oh, now that's cool, boy. Okay, who the hell? What do you want? Oh, can you show me the holiday spirit? Like, give me some new food to try? I got something. Let me get what I have. It is a very Christmassy and very holiday-like. If you don't like it, then you're wrong. Yeah, we'll see about that. Oh, hey, a computer. Don't mind if I... Last warning! Keep the lights on while I'm looking for the food. Alright. Ah, there you are. My peppermint cookies. Oops. Hey, that even heard that much. Hey, Marcio. That's cool what you got. Anyways. If you want the holiday spirit, here, have these very special cookies. These peppermint cookies. I can't see. You were so insistent on keeping the lights on. I was here partying by myself. You had to come run in with your stupid face, you useless imbecile. You know, I don't even care. Let me first explain what it is. Let me explain what it is. Well, really good, that one. You know, there's been many times where I somehow put up with the stupid, most utterly dumbfounding actions you put me through. But this time, you have crossed the line! I'm gonna give you 2 seconds to run. And within those 2 seconds, you better run as far as you can before I catch up to you and end you. 1! Anyways, these peppermint cookies are a very festive brown cookie with peppermint. With some chocolate. But guess you won't be able to hear it because you're dead. Woo-hoo. And you shall never again. Oh. Still alive. And I'm gonna turn on the cool one. And watch what I do. Ha. Cool, huh? What? I turned it to max. So now you're gonna freeze. Does it look like that care? It's literally just a pool. What's it gonna do? Did you hear my explanation on the cookies? Yeah. You tell me what they are. They're, candy. Get out. I fell from disappointment. Get out of my house right now! What? Listen. You got what you came here for. A festive treat. And you ruined it. So get out! Look at my show. I should jam with her. Haha, it's all fun around here, right? You don't even know. That's why I said it. I'm really going to smash everything in this park. Hey, yo! I did not know you're a freaky like that, Tyler. Does that include myself for the day? Then, hey, I ain't blaming you, man. I mean, she's your wife after all. Wish I could try these cookies myself.